Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check Air Arabia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your preferred web browser and go to the official Air Arabia flight status page. And once you're in here, or Air Arabia page anyways, the website naturally. So once you're in here, the next thing you're gonna have to do is to click on So go ahead and click on manage or just hover over manage. And for manage, right here you have flight status and you see check flight status. Now click on check flight status. So from here, you will notice two ways to search for a flight. Either search by route or search by flight number. So if you know your flight number, just click on search by flight number and enter your flight number and click on check status. Enter your flight number exactly as it appears on your booking confirmation. For example, G9123, and select the travel dates. That's where you have when. Once you select it, then go ahead and click on check status. Now the flight status will appear on your screen. Depending on the flight, you may see information such as the flight number, the departure airport, scheduled departure time, scheduled arrival time, current flight status such as scheduled, on time, delayed, cancelled, departed, or arrived. And of course, if you don't know the flight number, just select search by route and enter your departure airport and destination airport and your travel date here and click on check status. Then browse a list of flights that match your route and date. Select the correct flight to view its latest status and schedule. Review the flight details carefully before leaving for the airport, and if your flight has been delayed or rescheduled, the updated departure and arrival times will display on the results page. So the flight status page provides real-time operational updates directly from the Air Arabia systems, making it one of the quickest ways to confirm whether your flight is on schedule. So go by tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.